phone on mute. I swear I just muted that. There's like video evidence of me muting that. Oh, bit on the al dente side. Right, got myself a nice pork chop, bone-in, premium, kind of thick pork chop that I'm going to have. And I've got some leftover greens from Sunday dinner. So I'm going to make some bubble and squeak. I've already boiled up some potatoes. I'm going to make some mash, if I've got a masher. Chuck a bit of butter in there. For luck. A little bit of milk. I've only got skimmed, which I feel bad about using, but you know, needs must. And in there with the broccoli, if that's spinach or cow, carrots, and cauliflower. Put that on the heat though. I did wonder if you couldn't maybe make this in a food processor. It feels wrong even thinking about it, but actually thinking about it, I can't think why that wouldn't work. The problem I'm going to have is these carrots are going to break down because they're a bit on the al dente side. Really, probably should slice the carrots up first, but may bother. Beauty of bubble and squeak, it's rustic. Right. Now, frying pan. One of the few times I would say non-stick's your friend, mostly because it's as sticky as anything. Chuck a bit of oil in there just to help it brown. I've also got some mushroom duxelle left over from I made some stuffed ox heart over the weekend, but the video didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to, so I'm not going to bother doing anything with that. But I'm going to use that. I'm not going to stuff the pork chop, I think I'm going to just put it on top, serve it alongside. I'm not going to eat all of this. Save some of it for breakfast tomorrow. Right. Give her a bit of a season. You can put anything in. The leftover veg is the main thing. Mix it up with mashed potato. Boil some potatoes for 15-20 minutes till they were cooked. Made mash, put the veg in, made mash with it all. And you just whack it in a pan, fry it off. Essentially make potato cake with it. While that's frying, let me pork chop ready. So this is very nice pork chop from guys called Piper's Farm. They're like an online butchers. I get a lot of meat from them. They're really good quality stuff. Not affiliated with them in any way, shape or form. But the great saddleback beef, saddleback pork. Right, yeah, so yeah, really good quality saddleback pork chop, bone in, nice thick cut. So really, all I do is I just treat them like a steak, and then go up to room temperature, salt and pepper, and then sear it off in a rocket hot cast iron skillet. You want to let this start to brown off. You cook a lot of it, a lot of time it's easier to cut it into sections. There we go. It's not a hash brown, it shouldn't be big solid. Salt. Yeah. Pepper. Cast iron warming up. See what I mean? It's sticky. It will want to stick to something. It's all the starch in the potatoes, and there's going to be sugars and starches coming out of the carrot and the other veg. Right, so pan, get a bit warm. Pan can take a bit of oil, and with pork chops. Pretty much, from now on, cook it like a steak. Sear it hard on one side. The only thing is, you'll see in a minute, you've got that nice fat cap running around the side, and like you would if you had like a really, like a sirloin or something that had a big heavy fat cap on the bit of steak as well. You're going to stand that up and render that fat down as well. But patience. One thing I would tip is if you've got a nice decent cast iron steak like this, any pan really, cast iron steak, cast iron pan, any pan, once you put the meat on that side, it's going to take a load of heat out of the pan. This side's going to start heating up or stay at a higher temperature. So if you try and cook it to one side and flip it to the other, move it back and forwards like that, you develop a better sear. Right, I'm gonna put a bit of space inside this pan. I was half tempted to put this mushroom duxelle in with the bottom of the squeak. See how it turned out, but all keep brewing that one pan. Obviously, unlike a steak, you don't want this blue, rare, medium rare. It's really good quality pork and it comes from a good butcher's. It's good quality pork. It's like to have it a bit pink, a bit blushing. You don't want it charred to a cinder. But yeah, you can't have it bloody. Put up on that cat for a little bit. Render down some of that fat. Right, and let that rest for a little bit, but not as heavily as the steak, so I'm going to rest it on the pan while I serve everything else up. And there you go. Pork chop, double and squeak, mushroom duxelle, bosh. And I'll probably, well, I didn't actually show you how to make a mushroom duxelle. Just had some in the fridge. But Google it. I mean, that's what I do.